from megacities to remote islands, Asia's top travel spots offer a hearty dose of adventure, ancient history, and culture. Asia is a great place to visit for anyone interested in history, culture, or natural beauty, and is home to some of the most beautiful scenery in the world. There is something for everyone in Asia, from the bustling cities of Tokyo and Hong Kong to the tranquil beaches of Bali and Phuket. In this slideshow, we will learn about the top 10 places to visit in Asia. Japan. Kyoto is a city in Japan located on the island of Honshu. It is Japan's third largest city and one of its oldest, and known as the City of a Thousand Temples. It is famous for its many Buddhist temple gardens, 17 UNESCO World Cultural Heritage Sites, and traditional wooden houses. Kyoto is also known for its formal traditions such as Keiseki dining and Geisha. Sarawak, Borneo. Sarawak is a state in Malaysia located in the northwest of Borneo. It is the largest state in Malaysia and also the most ethnical and cultural diverse. Sarawak has more international parks and wildlife reserves than the rest of Malaysia, combined, and an amazing variety of unique plant and animal life. It is one of the most beautiful and unexplored places in Asia. Sarawak can be called an offbeat paradise because of its natural beauty. Visitors get an opportunity for taking trekking, water sports, as well as multiple adventure sports in Borneo. Paro, Bhutan. Paro is a valley town in Bhutan, located in the Paro Valley on the Paro River. It's west of the capital, Thimphu, and it's known for being the country's only international airport. Paro is a historic town with many sacred sites and historic buildings. It was the country's main cultural, commercial, and political center until 1962. When the capital was moved to Thimphu, Paro remains the summer capital. Paro also has some of the world's most challenging biking trails. Other activities including hiking, trekking, rafting, kayaking, and stargazing. Paro is also home to many beautiful temples, monasteries, and village. The town is also surrounded by stunning natural scenery, including the Paro River and the Himalayas. Paro is a great place in Indonesia. Bali is a province in Indonesia and the westernmost island in the Lesser Sunda Island. It is also known as the Island of Gods. Because it has thousands of temples, Bali is also one of its rich culture, laid-back lifestyle, and natural beauty, including volcanoes, rice fields, surfers' paradise, dramatic dances, colorful ceremonies, arts and crafts, beach resorts, nightlife. Bali is a popular holiday destination in the Indonesian archipelago. It's often rated as one of the most best travel destinations in the world because it is colorful, culture-friendly people, and stunning nature. Visitors can relax on the beach, go surfing or diving, explore the rainforest, or visit the temples. Beijing, China. Beijing is the capital of China and the world's most populated national capital city. It is also second largest city by urban population. After Shanghai, Beijing is also the cultural center of the country and one of the world's oldest city. With a 3,000-year-old history, Beijing is known for its places, temples, gardens, parks, walls, and gates. Beijing is famous for Peking Opera, also known as Beijing Opera, which originated in Beijing in the late 18th century. Beijing is home to 7 UNESCO World Heritage Sites, including the Forbidden City, Temple of Heaven, Summer Palace, Ming Tombs, Zukudan, and parts of Great Wall and the Grand Canal. Hoi An, Vietnam. Hoi An is a city in Vietnam, Quang Nam province, on the Tu Bon River's north bank. It's one of Asia's oldest cities and has been a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1999. It's known for its well-preserved ancient town, rich cultural heritage, and vibrant culinary scene. The city's buildings and street plans reflect both indigenous and foreign influences, including wooden Chinese shop houses, temples, French colonial buildings, Vietnam tube houses, and Japanese covered bridges. Visitors to Hoi An can enjoy a variety of activities, including visiting the many historic sites, shopping souvenirs, sampling the local cuisines, and taking boat trips on the Tu Bon River. The city is also home to a number of festivals and events throughout the year, including Hoi An Lantern Festival, which takes place on 14th day of each lunar month. Largest island in Thailand, measuring 30 miles long and 13 miles wide. It's known as the Pearl of Andaman Sea and has a long coastline with many beaches. It has over 40 beaches, including Kata Beach, Caron Beach, and Patong Beach. Phuket is known for its nightlife and Thai culture. Phuket is also known for its many Chinese influence, including Chinese. The best time to visit Phuket is between December and March. Places to visit in Phuket, Thailand: Patong Beach, Bangla Road, Phi Phi Island, Old Phuket Town, Wat Chalong, Caron Beach, James Bond Island, Phuket Trick Eye Museum, and Tiger Kingdom.